Hey guys, David from RV Wholesalers doing one of our Wish I Had Known videos. We had a customer contact us just yesterday actually. We get them all the time. It's getting more and more frequent in the current environment, but people are saying, I wish I would have known that you price protected before I bought. Unfortunately, there's a new practice in the RV industry right now. Prices are going up like crazy. We're seeing more than one a month. One RV company had a 14% price increase in 32 days. I mean, it's crazy some of the increases we're seeing. They are starting to slow down, thankfully, but there's still a lot of them, at least once a month. But what dealers are doing is they've changed their contracts. They no longer are giving you the price at the bottom right when you sign. They'll give you a price, but they put a clause in their contract that says that if the factory increases their price, they're going to increase your price. So when you go to buy your RV, you're going to see thousands of dollars more for the same RV that you signed for months before. So it's really quite a shock to people. It also messes up their finance. In some cases, people were prepared to buy this RV. They could afford the RV. They could afford the money down. But the price has gone up so much. Again, we've seen as much as $8,000. Now they no longer qualify for their loan, or the bank says, hey, we'll still do the loan, but we need another $5,000 down. The people don't have it. How do we prevent all that? Simple, we price protect. We talked about it when this has all happened. Our price has always been our price, right? When you sign to buy an RV from RV Wholesalers, you have the out-the-door price right then. It won't change a dollar. We've held to that through this whole entire 18-month COVID craziness, as we like to call it. We don't change prices. If the factory increases the price, we eat it. So you know that your loan will still be good, you know you won't need any more money down, and you know that your price won't change. You know, a lady called in the other day and said, hey, there's another dealer that's $1,400 cheaper than you, which we never hear, right? And we were kind of shocked, and we get to talking to her. We found out what that dealer's doing is they're giving a really low price to get the business, but then they hit the people right away with price increases. By the time she gets her RV, it'll be thousands more. So protect yourself by buying through RV Wholesalers. Take advantage of our price protection. Your price will never change a dime. We won't do anything. We have no clauses in the contract. You can see it. But what you sign on the line for is exactly what you'll pay at RV Wholesalers. If you have more questions, you can check out our YouTube page. Make sure you subscribe. There's more videos about price protection there, but there's also how-to videos, all kinds of information if you're buying an RV.